As the temperature continues to drop, some wide pants legs are attached with large pockets, which appear more and more frequently. They are very comfortable to wear. In addition, with the impact of the retro style, cargo pants came into a wave of popularity. No one has ever thought that the cargo pants of the former workers will now become the darling of the fashion industry. In particular, multi-pocket cargo pants are favored by modern people. With the characteristics of loose and avant-garde, they are suitable for various occasions and seasons, and sophisticated sense of craftsmanship, which is a good choice for people to wear and match in daily life. Our safety clothing factory is built as a modernized garden factory, covering an area of 13,500 square meters. The factory owns automatic cutting machine, auto spreader, chain 3 needles pattern machine, auto button sewing machine, 5 stitches machine, fell seam machine and other advanced production equipments. The safety clothing factory strictly carries out success management method, which has been authenticated by authoritative institutions and got many certifications such as ACI and ISO 9001. We will inspect fabrics and accessories before the production to ensure the quality of the materials we use can reach the standard. We arrange testing staffs to inspect the thickness of thread, the size of the needle, needle pitch, single stitch, double stitch, triple stitch, eyelet, fell seam and thread etc. seriously. We will do final random inspection according to AQL 2.5 before delivery, so that we can ensure that every batch of the workwear will be 100% qualified. Yulong Person takes Build a Century Security Enterprise as the target of the company, and takes your safety, our responsibility as the core concept. We will go ahead unswerving lid on the road of building professionalization, internationalization, and integration green protective base in the future.